How to add PineScript TradingView on Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we'll be discussing what is PineScript TradingView and how to add up. So, first of all, PineScript is a domain-specific scripting language which was developed by TradingView specifically for creating custom technical analysis indicators and strategies on the TradingView platform. It allows users to create their own custom indicators, strategies, and alerts based on various market data such as price, volume, and other indicators. For that, first of all, open your TradingView on the Windows 11 and on the bottom you will see an option written as Pine Editor. Some of the key features of Pine Editor are custom indicators, custom strategies, flexibility, backtesting, as well as community sharing. So once you tap on Pine Editor, this tab will allow you to write, edit, and manage PineScript code. If you are creating a new PineScript, click on the New button to start a new script, but if you already have a script, click on the Open button and select the script file from your computer. Now click on Save and then you're good to go. But before that, you have to make sure after saving, click on Add the script to the chart, and then you have successfully added the PineScript. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.